And there was a follow-up question, like, can my kids study right away, or do we need to wait for the school term to open in January and February? Paano yan kung dadating kami ng October or November? Walang problema yon because dito sa schools, the kids can enter anytime, alright, whenever they're ready. So, hindi kailangan intayin yung opening ng classes ng February, unlike in the Philippines, di ba? Dito, you come in this week, we go to the school para ma-enroll siya, and then the next week, or when the kid is ready, pwede na siya mag-start. So that's the beauty of studying in New Zealand para sa mga anak ninyo. See you here!